Dear learners, we will see today carminatives and GI, that is gastrointestinal regulators. Under this, we will cover phenyl crude drug. The objective behind this topic is that after completion, you would be able to know about the monograph of phenyl. Phenyl possesses a synonym phenyl fruit, fructus funiculum. In Marathi, we are calling it as badishop. Biologically, it is a dried ripe fruits obtained from plant Funiculum vulgare belongs to family Umbelliferae. It possesses morphological characters as color green to yellowish brown with sweet aromatic in odor and taste is strong aromatic and mucilaginous. Its size is 5 to 10 centimeter, 5 to 10 mm in long and 2 to 4 mm in thick. Shape is straight or slightly curved, which is shown in the diagram. The histological structure after taking transverse section of this phenyl, it shows various parts as shown in the diagram, that is epicarp, mesocarp, vittae, endocarp, testa, endosperm, rape and carpopore as shown in the diagram you can observe. In microscopical detail, TS of microscopy of mesocarp of phenyl shows pericarp, that is epicarp, mesocarp, endocarp. Seed shows testa and endosperm. Chemically, phenyl contains 3 to 7% of volatile oil, 20% of fixed oil, 20% of protein. Volatile oil is active. Main volatile oil is 50% anethole and 20% of phenchone. It also contains philandrine, limonene, anisal-dehyde. Phenyl is used as carminative, respiratory stimulant, expectorant, and as a flavoring agent. In summary of this class, what we have seen that phenyl is a dried ripe fruits obtained from Funiculum vulgare belongs to family Umbelliferae, which contains a volatile oil as a main chemical constituent and is used as carminative. And it is also used as a respiratory stimulant. Under the quiz question, with first, phenyl belongs to family Scrophulariaceae, Leguminosae, Solanaceae, Umbelliferae, and your correct answer is Umbelliferae. Very second quiz question, phenyl is used as antipyretic, carminative, antidiabetic, antiviral, and your correct answer is carminative. Very third quiz question, phenyl contains alkaloids, glycosides, volatile oils, carbohydrates, and your correct answer is volatile oils. Next quiz question, phenyl is a volatile oil containing fruit crude drug. Your answer is correct, yes or no. Answer is yes. Very second test, where will be vascular bundles present in phenyl? Endosperm, in testa, under the primary ridge, none of the above, and correct answer is under the primary ridges. Very third questions, where will be the volatile oil present in phenyl fruit? Endosperm, vascular bundles, in vittae, none of the above, and your correct answer is vittae. Frequently asked questions in this topic is Write biological source, macroscopy, microscopy, chemical constituents and uses of phenyl. Second, write the monograph of phenyl. Very third, write the biological source, macroscopy, chemical constituents and uses of phenyl.